Around 564 million people, which is nearly half the population of India, defecate in the open. Open defecation or ODF poses a serious threat to the health of children and also exposes women to the danger of physical attacks. Poor sanitation also cripples the overall national development. To solve this grave issue, the Indian government is aiming to achieve an open defecation-free India by 2nd October 2019, the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. India's public and private sector companies have got actively involved in partnering the government and the people in what has now turned into a Jan Andolan. The Arvind Group also wanted to play its part in this Jan Andolan. Sanitation is closely linked with family welfare and dignified living. Thus, the project was named ASMITA. A team of highly qualified and enthusiastic professionals from the group were put on the task of chalking out the roadmap for Project ASMITA. The team started out with understanding the usage and attitudes of the people who indulge in open defecation. And then they went on to look at the current scenario of the challenges in building a toilet. What they found out through this inquisitive effort was something astonishing. It is a broken marketplace for toilets. For example, it is ironical that there exists a well-established commercial market for white goods such as air conditioners, refrigerators, etc., while there is no such market for toilets. This despite having an active demand from all parts of India. They decided to create a good quality and affordable product and service just like any consumer durable.
I think the largest question for us was how to contribute to this entire Jan Andolan of Swachh Bharat mission. Core problem now which exists at this point in time in the mission is to provide a good toilet at the price point that people want and at their doorstep, especially for the rural areas. And this is what we want to solve.
What should I do to get a good toilet? And part of this question proved to be the most challenging one. So, what exactly is a good toilet? This probed the team to check the existing models and their drawbacks. They found many limitations in the available features as well as in the supply chain. Poor quality and bad user experience is noted as a major deterrent for regular usage, defeating the purpose of ODF. This was indeed a big and challenging gap to fill. Very little attention had been given to evolve toilet design to achieve customer satisfaction. Lack of financing options also restricts choices. This was a lacuna which Team ASMITA decided to address first. After all, one cannot change habits if one does not get a good quality functional toilet on demand. And so, they had to try many permutations of a good toilet design, with constant feedback from users. The right ones kept evolving despite few rejections.
Thanks to our co-creation approach, we worked out the MOM strategy. M for minimum time frame, O for optimum cost, M for maximum acceptability.
The result of this co-creation was the innovative ASMITA toilet design. The simplistic design is actually an elegant blend of modern and traditional materials which can be readied and installed in a day. With an easy-to-make and transport all-weather toilet model ready and tested, it was an important breakthrough. And so, an acceptable, affordable and scalable design was now ready.
એ ટોયલેટ બનવાથી અમે ખુશ છીએ. સરસ રીતે સફાઈ કરી શકીએ છીએ. બહાર જવામાં બહુ અઘરું પડતું હતું, હવે સરસ રીતે જઈ શકીએ છીએ. હું સુરક્ષિત મહેસૂસ કરું છું.
The ASMITA team then decided to answer the next part of the question. What should I do to get such a good toilet? This pertained to the last mile of 1. Procurement, 2. Logistics and 3. Ease of installation. It was thus decided to facilitate ease of procurement for the customers in Gujarat. The on-ground sales force, known as ASMITA Bain, provides the much-needed local sales support. The tie-up with Seva Bank provides bridge loans for reducing cash flow at the time of purchase. Customers can also call the ASMITA call center and seek support on product or finance solutions available for ASMITA toilet units. The results have been more than satisfying. The entire process can now be localized and scaled up. It is conceived to achieve the daunting targets of building good quality functional toilets on a mission mode. After all, as the name suggests, ASMITA is for dignity, ASMITA is for health, ASMITA is for achieving the dream of an open defecation-free India and world. एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर.